I told you to pay me $10 and I would give you back 100? Would you do it? I'm sure most of you would. Well, this works the same way with our health when it comes to our nutrition, namely in the form of food prep. So what is the highest return on investment in healthcare, or what can you do today to make yourself feel better the soonest? Food prep. That's what I want to talk to you guys about today. A lot of questions come up. A lot of times clients have limited reserve banks of, finances. Where can I put my money with my health? Can, I start this new supplement regimen? Can I start this new state-of-the-art therapy? Can I go see this practitioner? Should I, delve into lymphatic massage? Like, what is the one thing that I can do with my resources to really start to change my health today? What is my highest return on investment with my health? It's your nutrition. And it comes in the form of food prep. So kind of like if you were to give me $10 and I were to give you back 100, food prep works the same way. And it's a little bit of divine timing that this topic fell on this week. I've been saving this topic to talk about for a couple weeks on my blog. It's up on the blog, 𝗏𝗏𝗶𝗵𝗏𝗏. And I think it's perfect because with the situation right now, we're all stuck inside for the most part. And we still have access to our stores and we still have access to food. So now is the time to take charge of our health and really be responsible for what we're putting into our mouth and begin to look at food prep in a different way. So what are some ways that you can begin doing this? Making a list of foods that serve your body before you go to the store, lining out your meals for the week, for the day, whatever you need, and sticking to that list when you go to the store. Because let me let you in on a little bit of a secret. Restaurants and manufacturers of food and pre-made meals, they don't have your best interest in mind. They are, sinus, not corona. They are crafted and created to get you to be addicted to the food. So they'll put in things like MSG, they'll put in the perfect amount of fat, sugar, and salt to get you addicted to that food, and they're not caring about your health. So really look at what are you buying and what are you putting into your body. Because on the way home from work after a long day, or maybe you've been working from home and you just want to grab some carry out, you can't play Russian roulette with your body. Your body is too valuable, your health is too important, and it's time to take a deep look into your food. So food prepping, when you're making your meals from home, you're going to be avoiding things like rancid oils, added sugar, sodium. A chicken salad from a restaurant versus a chicken salad that you make at home is going to look totally different. Am I right? I mean, you're going to get like this little withered lettuce, a couple little veggies, maybe a dressing that has some ingredients, can have some soybean oil or something that's going to be inflammatory for you. But if you make that salad at home, you can spruce it up with all these amazing vegetables. You can put some nuts and seeds on there, make your own dressing that is conducive to your health. And really, food prep is going to save you money as well. And also looking at what you're buying from the store versus what you're spending out. If you break down the cost, it is totally worth it. So some things that I like to do to make food prep worth my time. So in the morning, you can read about this a little bit more on my blog, but I spend anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes in the morning prepping, waters, juices, smoothies, salads. I get all my meals done for the day so that I know what I'm going to eat during the day, and then I have it all laid out. And during that time, I'll listen to lectures for school, for my functional medicine program, just lectures for fun, spiritual teachers, anything that I'm really interested in the time. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm getting my food prep done while I'm doing my study time. A lot of people, it works for them to carve out like a Sunday afternoon, go grocery shopping on a Saturday, and then Sunday they take time to prep 2-3 hours. You don't have to make it super fancy. You can make smoothies for the week in the morning. You can make fresh cut up vegetables and fruit and lunches. You can steam sweet potatoes, put those away. It doesn't have to look like that you have all these Pinterest ready meals, but you really need to start looking at, if you want to change your health and you want to get the biggest return on investment for your money and for your time, start looking at food prep. There was something else. Somebody else had a question. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting it. I saved all of these questions for the last week. So Well, if you want to read more in depth on this topic, then you can go to my blog, 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗲𝗀. I list out a ton of tips and tricks and how food prep has really helped me. Your sleep is going to get better. You're going to have more energy. You're going to be able to get done in 30 minutes what would take you 3 hours just with a clearer brain. You don't have all those chemicals from processed food and restaurant food floating around in your bloodstream and then getting to your brain. So go ahead, check out the blog post, let me know if you have any questions, and keep sending me your DMs. We're going to have more time to do lives, more time to be virtual with each other. Right now is the time to take care of your health. How many of us have just internally been like, wow, I wish the world would slow down a little bit, stop spinning so quickly around me. I want to take time to focus on me, my health, take care of myself. Ta-da, it's here. So there really is a blessing, I think, in this chaos, and not to downplay a serious situation on the healthcare workers, the teachers, all the people that it's affecting. But this is your time, you're home. You have the time to create this new habit and this new routine for yourself. So get some grocery delivery, go out, grab the food, or if you have more financial resources than you do time, look into the custom-made home where they meal prep for you and they bring it to your home, or you go pick it up and get your dietary needs in and look at some of those services, because you are worth it. And you never know how much better you can feel until you start investing in your health in the form of your nutrition. So get the most bang for your buck, the most amount of quality for your time, and start food prepping. I guarantee you this is the time to do it. Create new habits, make the most out of this however many weeks we have of this difficult season. So I hope this helps. Check out the blog, 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗲𝗀, and send me your questions for next week.